What up, you guys? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. This is like my 20th take of my intro, and I don't care if I mess this up. I'm just gonna keep this in the vlog. As you guys see in the title, we are actually installing a part today. But before we install the part, I want to say I am sorry for missing an upload last week. It has been crazy rainy here in California, so that's why I missed an upload last week, because I can't install anything or really film anything on the car because it's been super rainy. Also, before we get into today's video, I want to thank you guys so much for the support on last video. It's almost at like 6,000 views. Thank you guys so much for the support. Everyone seemed to enjoy it, which I really appreciate it. And we have gained like 300 subs in the last like 2 weeks, which is insane for my channel. So thank you guys so much for your support. Now let's get right into today's video. Alright, as you guys can see, the car is on jack stands. At least the rear is, to raise the rear, because as you guys see in the title, we are getting rid of this stock M Sport diffuser right here and installing a carbon fiber one. Alright guys, here is the carbon fiber diffuser, obviously in its box. I'm not going to bore you guys with one of those time lapses for an unboxing. I'm just going to get right into it, unbox it, and show you guys the carbon fiber diffuser. And just like that, here is the carbon fiber diffuser. Super nice carbon. You can even see me through it, still clean. Super nice, looks insanely good. I had actually a huge issue with getting this carbon fiber diffuser. This is the V1 carbon fiber diffuser for the E92 M Sport rear bumper, and it was like sold out everywhere. I bought it somewhere because my boys at Rush Custom didn't have it, and then I bought it, and then they emailed me, said, oh sorry, we're actually out of it, which is BS. But I hit up my boys at Rush Customs again and said, hey, can you guys like try to find this diffuser anyways? And he came through and he found me, literally might be one of the last ones in production of the V1 carbon fiber diffuser. The V2 has actually 3 carbon fiber winglets, wings, whatever you want to call these things. Right here's one more. And I really wanted the 2 because I like the way the 2 looks. So shout out to my boys over at Rush Customs. As always, you guys know I push that company so hard because they seriously, like, he messaged me at like midnight, said, dude, I found one, like, let me get it shipped out to you. I instantly bought it, shipped it out to me, it's here in 4 days. Like, literally, like, what kind of customer service is that, dude? Like, seriously, hit these guys up. There'll be a link to the website in the description, and I'll link the V2 in the description because that one's actually in stock and it's still pretty sick. It's a carbon fiber diffuser, just 3 fins instead of the 2 right here. But I'll link that diffuser in the description. Please, if you guys go buy something from Rush Customs, leave on the comments, say that you are buying from, not from me, but like say like I sent you, say Ricky sent you from YouTube. So thank you guys so much for shopping with them. I've already had a few of you guys say that you've already bought stuff from them and sent me pictures and stuff from products that you've bought off them. So that means a lot to me. That means I'm pushing a company that I truly believe in. So thank you guys for the support for that. Let's get this thing installed. It should be pretty easy. Let me show you how to do it. So the reason the car is up in the air, to make this video easier and install easier, just come under here. There is 7 of these little 8 mils right here. 1, 2, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's one more 7th one down there. Unscrew all of these guys, super easy. I'll let you guys do a time lapse on me doing that right now. Alright, now that you have the 7 of these 8 mils out of the butt of the bumper, I want to let you know, be sure to keep these because you will be reusing these 8 mil screws. Alright, now that those 8 mils are out from the bottom of the diffuser slash bumper, be sure to keep these, like I said in the last clip, because you will be reusing those. The next step of taking this out, oh, I was exposed for a while. There's a bunch of little clips in here, throughout here and down here. So pretty much what you want to do is pull out, like, look at that, just pull out like that. That already came out. Do that through the whole way. Just slowly, just start tugging. Don't do it really hardly because you might break one of the clips, which you don't want to do. So just ease it out of the way, and it should come out pretty simple. But I say that now, I haven't even tried it, so hopefully it comes out pretty simple. I'll put you guys on another time lapse. I just sprayed the back of my car with water. I got water all over my face. Oh my god, let's just continue. Yep, old diffuser's out and I'm filthy because, yeah, I'm filthy. All right, I just took that diffuser off and got water all over me. I sprayed the back of the car because I said it's been raining for like the past week, and I just went on a road trip yesterday with this car. And by the way, great road trip car, honestly. It's pretty reliable, 155. And I just sprayed the back down to get all the dirt off because you guys would hose me in the comments like car's filthy, but it's been raining every day. I just went on a road trip. So I sprayed it off and didn't think about how I'm gonna probably get soaking wet because it's gonna be wet under there still. So yeah, but whatever. Besides that, I am pretty satisfied. It's super easy to take this old diffuser off. Just pry them off. They seem like they're gonna break, but they're not. Just slowly pry them off. And yeah, but look at it, looks pretty sick without a diffuser, honestly. They look kind of cool, like from different angles. It looks kind of gnarly looking, actually. I kind of like it, like no lie. Just get one of those like gnarly like metal diffusers and like put it in there, kind of like the Street Fighter LA E92. If you guys have ever seen that, go on Street Fighter LA on their IG, and they have an E92, same car as my M55 335i, but like it's fully wide body and everything, and the diffuser like is a metal one that goes up around here. It's gnarly. I just keep talking, but it's a gnarly diffuser. But yeah, so now another thing you're gonna want to do is this diffuser comes pre-drilled, these holes, but some diffusers might not come pre-drilled. So be sure that your diffuser is pre-drilled, and if it's not, it's simple, just line up the holes and pre-drill them. But thank you to Rush Customs, their diffuser, their supplier is pre-drilled, makes it a lot easier on us. So let's get this on there. You just do the reverse of what you just did, take it off. You kind of snug the clips in there. These little clips, as I was saying, these little clips right here, just push them on in to the old ones and then screw the bottom. Should be pretty easy, but everything I do is somehow more difficult than it seems to be. So let's just try to get this on there, and I'll pick up the camera when it's on there, if it's on there. If I run into any issues, I'll let you guys know. But I'm gonna stop talking, get this diffuser on there, because I know you guys want to see what it looks like. All right, let's do it. This looks sick. I would definitely do this to your car. Look at this. Full carbon fiber diffuser, fits A1. The fitment is perfect everywhere. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All the screws are in underneath. Just look at how good that looks. Full carbon. God, it looks so good. The tips fit perfectly. They're actually even with the diffuser now. Same with this side. But what do you guys think? Look at how good it looks. Just different angles. I love those little, what do you want to call those, fins? I don't care what you call them. It looks sick. Gosh, definitely amazing. The fitment was on point. Some carbon fiber pieces I've had in the past, if I'm not exposed, have been somewhat not the best fitment, but this is the best fitment carbon fiber piece I've ever had. Didn't need to heat it, didn't need to bend it. It just snaps right into place. Put the screws in. She's on there. This is sick. Definitely a must do in my opinion. It just makes the whole rear look so much more aggressive. I'm gonna drop the car on the ground in a second and actually get you guys a better shot of this. So actually, let's do that now. Let's get the car on the ground and let me get you guys a better point of view of this diffuser, and for myself too. So let's get the thing on the ground. Just for you wondering, that was not a cold start. This car is very warm, so that's not how loud my cold start is. That was very quiet. But yeah, this is it in the sun. Jeez. I could not be more happy with this thing, honestly. Like, the fitment is A1. Look at that, it's so nice. Just from like every angle, it looks so much better. Look, you can even see the sun glaring off the carbon. God, it looks so good. I'm super hyped. Look at that, dude. It looks so much better. I'm super hyped. Let me get the old one and show you guys the before and after, I guess. Because the old one, not so nice. Flimsy plastic. Even though actually the M Sport bumper is super nice. Like the non-M Sport bumper is terrible, but this M Sport bumper is pretty cool. But look at that. There's the old and the new carbon. Like old plastic one versus the carbon one. You do your pick, whatever you guys want to do. It looks so much better. Again, big shout out to my boys at Rush Customs, dude. Like, if you're watching this, brother, I appreciate you guys. Seriously, like, always hooking me up, always helping my car stay fresh. Like, all the, yeah, you know who you are, bro. I appreciate you. The fitment again, A1 sauce. God, it looks so good. Literally could not be happier. So now we got carbon diffuser, carbon fiber rear lip, which I might be changing. Might be buying the V2, I don't know. We'll see, I might be buying a new one of those. And then the carbon fiber front lip that, yes, has already been nicked. Oh, it's so sad. So sad, but it looks so good. So now we got the carbon fiber front lip, rear diffuser, it's a bit windy, rear diffuser, and the rear spoiler. I might be actually upgrading the side skirts to the carbon fiber ones. I know in the last video I said I would never do that, but I don't know, I might do that. I'm just loving it. I'm on this carbon fever, man. I love this, all this carbon, so. But look at that, man. I'm super stoked. Also, before we conclude this little install video, you guys will see this in the next video, but we got another part. Let's go right here. Don't want to show my address. Another part from my boys at Rush Customs. I just keep buying stuff off them. Yeah, another part. This will be another install video for a different video. It'll be after this one, so but I'm gonna film it right now. So if you guys notice I'm in the same clothes as the next video and the car's in the same spot, it's because I film these videos back to back. So, but that, as always, I appreciate every single one of you guys supporting my channel, supporting the build, DMing me on Instagram, all that jazz. Like, I appreciate you guys. You guys have been showing me so much love this past few weeks, and I couldn't, like, seriously, I just love you guys. You seriously, just subscribe if you haven't already. It takes you 1 second. Go down there, click the subscribe button, support your boy. I do this for fun. There's not much E92 N55 content out there, especially not much like straight up E92 content. There is, but there's not like a lot. So I'm trying to bring you guys all that content you already know. But yeah, one last look at it. Another mod we might be doing shortly along with this new steering wheel, but that takes a couple weeks to make. A few weeks, like actually a couple months. So steering wheel's not gonna be for a little while, but I might be upgrading my front mount intercooler to that's a Burger Motorsports 5.5 inch front mount intercooler, and I kind of want to do a big 7.5 inch intercooler to make it pop. I want you to be able to like stand back here, look at the front of the car, and to see a big intercooler, you know? That'd be so sick. Yeah, I'm going pure turbos anyway, so I might as well upgrade the intercooler now and not wait till later, you know? So I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. I've always wanted to make this video. Like, this has been like 2 weeks in the comment, man. Like, seriously, through like shipping and the rain delays and stuff. But I finally got my diffuser on. A1 fitment. Link to the diffuser is in the description. But as always, I will see you guys in the next video in like 2 minutes. So for you guys, it's gonna be a few days. But see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna stop talking. See you guys next time.